To remove the belt and drum, the control panel and dryer front must first be removed. Remove these 3 screws securing the control panel trim. Please note that this is a view from the rear of the machine. Slide the trim to the left and lift it off of the panel. Now remove these 2 screws securing the lid to the cabinet. Lift the lid from the front to release it from the notches and tabs at the rear corners. Slide the lid forward to release it from the slot and tab. Now remove these 2 screws that secure the control panel assembly to the cabinet. Disconnect the control panel ribbon cable from the power board as seen here. Now lift the control panel straight up and off of the cabinet. Remove these 2 screws from the bottom of the dryer front. Remove these 2 upper screws and lift the dryer front off of the cabinet. To remove the tub, first create side clearance by spreading the cabinet open slightly. To do this, remove this screw from the power board support bracket at the left side. Leave the bracket stationary and remove this single screw attaching the cabinet wrapper to the front of the blower housing. Spread the cabinet open slightly. This creates the gap between the tub and wrapper needed to remove the closed drum. The belt needs to be released before removing the drum. This is done from the front of the machine. Insert both hands in the areas indicated on screen to access and maneuver the belt tensioning system. The idler pulley, viewed here from the left side of the tub, needs to be moved to the right to release the tension on the belt. Push against the idler assembly here. The rod is spring steel and will bend enough to lock it into this hooked area of the motor bracket. The technician's left hand will release that tension. The technician's right hand will come in under the center of the tub and slip the belt off of the pulleys. Hook the idler pulley into the motor bracket on the left side. With the idler assembly locked into place, both hands can now be used to slip the belt off of the pulleys. Be sure to wear protective Kevlar gloves and sleeves during this procedure. There are many sharp edges inside the machine compartment of the dryer. From the front of the machine, grasp the belt with one hand and the front edge of the tub with the other and slide the tub forward, out of the rear bearing, and then out of the cabinet. With the drum removed, the inlet thermistor and safety thermostat can be seen mounted at the 3 o'clock position on the diffuser. The drum inlet thermistor is the bottom one and has 2 white wires connected to it. The drum inlet safety thermostat is mounted above the thermistor with an orange and blue wire connected to it. Unlike earlier gas dryers, this design does not use a thermostat on the duct assembly. The drum outlet thermistor is mounted at the exhaust duct of the blower housing and has 2 blue wires connected to it. The drum outlet safety thermostat is mounted just above the drum outlet thermistor. It has 1 yellow and 1 orange wire connected to it. This concludes this training video.